Hello, here's another AQA A-level physics question on the particles topic. If you want to answer the question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. So, what is the number of up quarks and down quarks in a beryllium-9 nucleus? So the first thing we want to do is work out how many protons and neutrons there are. Well, the atomic number is 4, so that means there are 4 protons, and because the atomic mass is 9 and that is the number of protons and neutrons, we know that the number of neutrons is 5. So what's the quark structure of a proton? The quark structure of a proton is 2 ups and a down, and if there's 4 protons then I've got a total of 8 ups and 4 downs from the protons. What's the quark structure of a neutron? The quark structure of a neutron is up, down, down, and I've got 5 of those. So I'm going to get 5 ups and 10 downs. If I add these all together, I'm going to end up with 13 ups and 14 downs, which is B. Now you may be saying, how do I know the quark structure of a proton and a neutron? I know the quark structure of a proton and neutron because I've learnt them. I just know that now. However, you could watch some of my other videos where I go through other questions and I show you how you can find what the quark structure of a proton and neutron is. And if you don't know, you need to know how to find that. Thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was useful. Hit that subscribe button for me, please. Share with your friends and give me a like. Thank you.